Practicing my most devastating wink in the cafe mirror felt awkward. I'd been rehearsing a charming line about the latte art, aiming for effortless cool. But then, disaster struck. Mid-sentence, a sneeze erupted, scattering sugar packets like confetti. Mortified, I stammered an apology, cheeks burning. He just chuckled, a warm, genuine sound that made my stomach flip. "Don't worry," he said, handing me a napkin. "It's endearing." Endearing? Really? Maybe clumsy wasn't so bad. I decided to try again, this time skipping the wink and opting for a simple smile. It seemed to work. He smiled back, a little wider. Perhaps a sneeze wasn't a total Rizz killer after all. Maybe it just paved the way for something real.